trees and vegetation are some of the components of biodiversity that is found in our backyard. It has various benefits. For the trees, provides habitat for different organisms, and also for the vegetation, it also provides habitat. For example, is the birds on the trees, and also insects, as well as snakes, because we are used to find snakes here because we see them eating some rats and also birds, but we're not afraid of them because they are controlling the balance in the biodiversity, so we just leave them alone. So it provides habitat for different organisms. Second is for the trees, big trees, it serves as windbreak, especially during typhoon. In the past days, past weeks, we're experiencing typhoon, but because of those big trees, the wind that is coming to our house is not that strong already, because the big trees are already breaking the wind and serves as a windbreaks or shield for our house. Another benefit from the trees and vegetation is they are also food source as well, because as you can see a while ago, there are banana trees and also cassava plants where we get fruits and also food that we use for snacks, and even for our lunch before we're just eating cassava. Medicinal plants are also present around, like lagundi and the, they call it betadine plant. We also have it here. Spices is also here, like the pepper, black pepper, and also star anise. You can also find those spices here around in our backyard. Not only medicinal and food source, but also ornamental plants can be found here in our backyard, like rubber trees and other kind of ornamental plants where we get income as we sell them and also propagate them.